Okay, welcome to another one of my unboxing videos. That is my cat Chip that wants to try and give a hand. They all seem to congregate when I start doing these reviews. First thing we're going to be reviewing in this video is electronic bug zapper. 360 degree UV light, blue light, attracts, kills insects, indoor, outdoor use, long range, no chemical. Trying to see if I can find a brand name on here, and all I can find is electronic, so maybe the instructions will have it on it. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what's in it. Okay, so it looks like we have a brand name. It's Hemiua, H-E-M-I-U-A. Okay, so we got the instruction book. We also got a thing, please leave us a review. Looks like we have a cleaning brush. And the bug zapper itself. I'm impressed that it actually comes with a grounded outlet or a grounded plug-in, especially since it's going to be indoor-outdoor and this creates electricity inside of it, so that makes me a little happier. Let's see. Make sure there's nothing I see in here. It says to hang it 6 to 8 feet. You can replace the bulb inside of it that attracts the bugs. And other than that, I'm excited to get it tried. Keep an eye down on the doobly-doo, and I'll let you know how it works after a few days of running. Gotta wait for the rain to end over here before any bugs are going to be coming out. Thank you for watching.